Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very
Today,
smoothly.
we will discuss important MCQs based on history. So, the first question is, consider the following statements with respect to the Swaraj Party. First, it was formed after the Gaya session of the Indian National Congress. Second, it was to function as a group within the Congress. Third, the party won more than 50% of the elected seats in the Central Legislative Assembly in the 1923 elections. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 and 2 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the correct answer of this question is option A 1 and 2 only. Third statement is incorrect because Swarajists won 42 seats out of 101 elected seats in the Central Legislative Assembly. Hence statement 3 is not correct. So this was a question based on Swaraj Party, which was there back then in 1920s. So you should know the prominent leaders of the Swaraj Party. So how Swaraj Party was formed, what was the background behind it, so and what is the function of the Swaraj Party. So likewise, you can read more about Swaraj Party from standard sources. So this was all about question 1. Let us discuss question number 2. Consider the following statements about Tebhag movement. First, sharecroppers were demanding 1/3 of the produce from the land. Second, the Flood Commission was set up to look into demands of this movement. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So, you can write down your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option D neither 1 nor 2. So, statement number 1 is not correct because the sharecroppers demand 2/3 of the produce from the land, and statement number 2 is not correct because the demands were based on the recommendation of the Flood Commission, also known as the Bengal Land Revenue Commission, which recommended 2/3 share to the bargaders, so who are sharecroppers. So statement number 2 is not correct. So the answer is option D neither 1 nor 2. So these peasant movements are extremely important from UPSC exam point of view. Generally aspirants ignore this topic, but this is very important and UPSC usually ask this kind of question in its prelims examination. In 2020 prelims also UPSC asked about peasant movements. So you should read this topic very well from standard sources. So let us now discuss question number 3. Consider the following statements with regard to Indian National Army. First, Provisional Government of Free India was set up by Mohan Singh in Singapore. Second, Subhash Chandra Bose set up INA headquarters at Singapore and Rangoon. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. So the correct answer of this question is option B, 2 only. So statement number 1 is not correct because Bose set up the provisional government of Free India on 21st October 1943, and second statement is absolutely correct. So this was the question about Indian National Army. So you should know about Indian National Army. So who were the prominent leaders that were associated with Indian National Army, and what is the contribution of Indian National Army in India's independence? So likewise, you can read more about Indian National Army and about Mohan Singh and Subhash Chandra Bose, who played a great role in Indian National Army and in our independence also. So this was about question number 3. Let us discuss question number 4. Which of the following is not correct with reference to subsidiary alliance? Option A. Under the alliance, a British resident was posted in the court of Indian rulers. Second, it was introduced by the Governor General Warren Hastings. Option C. The objectives of this alliance were to keep away the French from expanding their influence in India. Option D. Nizam of Hyderabad was the first Indian ruler who joined it. So you can just write down your answer in the comment section. So the correct answer of this question is option B. It was introduced by Governor General Warren Hastings. This statement is not correct. So the question asked was which of the following statement is not correct. So you have to carefully read the question as well. So option number B is incorrect because the subsidiary alliance system was used by Lord Wellesley, who was Governor General from 1798 to 1805 to build an empire in India. Hence option B is the correct answer. Some alliances and doctrines are very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. So this subsidiary alliance is also very important, and doctrine of lapse is also very important. So you should know about these alliances and doctrines, which are important ones. So let us now discuss question number 5. The call of no religion, no caste, and no God for mankind against the caste system is related to which of the following leaders? Option A. Narayan Guru. B. Mahatma Gandhi. Option C. Swami Vivekananda. Option D. Kambalthu Parambu Ayappan. So you have to tell the correct answer of this question. The answer of this question is option D. Kumbalthu Parambu Ayappan. So he said this no religion, no caste, and no God for mankind. So he made the statement against the caste system. So this was all about today's video. You can read about Narayan Guru, Mahatma Gandhi, and Swami Vivekananda as well. And you can also read about this author, this leader, which said no religion, no caste, and no God for mankind. What was his other contribution in Indian society? So you can read about him as well. So this was all about today's video, and you can subscribe the channel, and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.